Yes, method का introduction I had given you in the previous class. So now we are going for the more questions related to the same topic. So let us think a very simple and easy question. It is, differentiating both the sides, the differentiation of e to power x will be e to power x. The differentiation of t with respect to x will be dt upon dx. So I could write the value of dx is equals to dt upon e to power x. Now we are going to solve it. So think about it. E to power t into this one, I'm writing still e to power x. Dx can be written as dt upon e to power x. E to power x to e to power x cancel, integral of e to power t dt. And e to power t on integrating gives us the same thing, e to power t plus c. Put t. So it will be e to power x plus c is the answer. So similar to this, many questions we could do. One more example I'm taking. It has come in the board examination in the year 2011. Integral log x to whole square upon x dx. We are supposing let log x equals to t, then 1 upon x dx will be equals to dt. Now one step less I am taking, otherwise I was taking and doing differentiation of t can be written as dt upon dx. So now see integral, it could be written as t square dx upon x can be written as dx upon x can be written as dt. So t square integration will be t to power 2 plus 1, that is 3 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. This implies 2. When we are putting the value of t, it will be log x whole cube by 3 plus c will be the answer. So I suppose we are able to understand this thing also. It's important, good, and important for the examination point of view also. One more question I'm taking. This will be more simple, more easy, and you will be able to do it little more better. It is cosec square root x upon root x dx. So I suppose in this question, I must suppose square root of x as t. Say that is supposing only. So differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx will be equals to dt. I need to calculate the value of 1 by root x dx. So I'm writing it 2 dt. Let us put, it will become integral cosec square t dt, 2 I am writing in front. So what is the integration of cosec square x? It is minus cot. It is t, so I'm writing t plus c. So it will be minus 2 cot t plus c is the answer. I suppose we are able to understand this question also. It's a good and important question. Now we are going to take one more example. This has come in the board examination also and easy also. Integral. Many examples I'm taking with the very easy concepts so that you must be able to understand what we need to suppose. Now let log x equals to t. So 1 upon x dx will be equals to dt. So integral 1 upon, okay, this time I'm writing x, log x is supposed as t, and the value of dx will be x dt. X I've taken on the other side. X to x cancel. So integral 1 upon t dt. The integration of 1 upon x or 1 upon t will be log mod t plus c. Value of t is log mod always. If you will not write mod, you will be in confusion, in trouble, and you may make mistakes. Sometimes only it happens. The question comes with the negative symbol, and in that case, without mod, you will be losing your marks. Now see integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x upon 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. Again, what best I could do, I'm supposing 6 cos x plus 4 sin x as t. 6 cos x can be written as minus sin x on differentiating, plus 4 sin x differentiation will be cos x equals to dt upon dx. I'm taking 2 common, so it will be 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx will be equals to dt. This 2 I can write down also. So it will be the denominator we have supposed as t, and 2 cos x sin minus 3 sin x dx can be written as dt by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 log mod t plus c. Put t. Value of t when you will put, you will be getting the right answer. So like this way we could do questions based on substitution method. I suppose today you will be able to do many questions on the substitution method. One more very good example. I'm giving you 1 upon 1 plus x square tan inverse x dx. We are supposing tan inverse x as t. Let tan inverse x equals to t. It will be 1 upon 1 plus x square dx will be equals to dt. So it will be integral 1 upon t, because dx upon 1 plus x square is dt. So it will be log mod t plus c. The value of t we are going to put. So it will be log mod tan inverse x plus c. So By this way, we could do the questions based on this thing. So every time we are getting a new condition, a new question, I'm solving these questions from the help book. So there are many questions. As many I want to take, I could. One very good question is x under root x plus 2 dx. What best I could do in this question is, we are supposing x plus 2 equals to t. So dx will be equals to dt. Now try to see, it is x under root t dt. What about this x? When it is written with respect to t, you are differentiating, everything must be t. So over here, what I could write, x can be written as t minus 2, t minus 2. So it will be integral t minus 2 into t to power 1 by 2 dt. I could write it t to power 3 by 2 minus 2 times t to power 1 by 2 dt. It will be integral t to power 3 by 2 dt minus 2 times t to power 1 by 2 dt. Now t to power 3 by 2 will be t to power 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 times t to power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now what I could write, 2 by 5 t to power 5 by 2, t value I'm putting x plus 2 to whole power 5 by 2 minus 4 by 3 t to power 3 by 2, t means x plus 2 to whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This will be the final answer. So it's a good question, important. It has come in the board examination also. These questions mainly are coming for 1 mark, but yes, 1 mark is very important, because these are the things. Now 20 marks questions will be of 1 mark each. So that will play one very important role in your result. So we need to take care of these things also. So you are able to do questions. Now I'm giving you 2 questions. This you have to solve. You must try to solve them, so that I must be able to think that whether you are able to solve them or not. Okay, I'm giving you easy ones in the beginning. Integral cos root x upon root x dx. Next is integral. Start solving first question. This question, the second question, I have done in the previous class also. So try to solve these 2 questions. I'm writing one step for the hint. In this you will suppose root x as t, and in this you will suppose log x as t. When we'll differentiate this on both the sides, it will become 1 by 2 root x dx will be equals to dt. So it will be integral cos t dt. 2 is coming, that I'm writing outside. Now cos t integral will be sine t plus c. The value of t we need to put 2 sine root x plus c. So this is the way to solve these questions. Second also I'm doing, but I want you must try, so little slow I'm doing these questions. We have supposed log x as t, so 1 upon x dx will be equals to dt. It will be t dt t to power 2 by 2 plus c. T means 1 by 2 log x to whole square plus c. Today also I have done similar question, but that was similar. Yes, the day before yesterday in the class I have done the same question, this only. So I suppose you are able to do these questions also. Now we are going for some more examples, some more good questions I'm trying to take, so that you must be able to think more better. Okay, you must try to solve integral x upon 1 plus root x. Let us see, are you able to think on this situation or not? See, this is a good question and it's very easy also. Let root x equals to t. That means x will be equals to t square. Dx will be equals to 2t dt. So it will become integral 1 plus t. X will be equals to t square. Dx will be equals to 2t dt. Now we need to see this question has reached to a condition, that is integral t cube. 2 I'm writing outside. 1 plus t dt. Now see, this is a question which may create some confusions in our mind. We are finding degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator. Try to keep in mind, if in any question degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then first of all we need to divide. So it will become 1 plus, okay, t plus 1 I'm writing. T plus 1, 2 I'm dividing. T square, t cube it is. So first of all I'll take t square, it will become t cube plus t square. Subtract, it will cancel. Minus t square, it will be minus t. So minus t square minus t plus it will cancel t. I'm taking plus 1, it will become t plus 1 minus it will be minus 1. So now the question can be written as t square minus t plus 1 plus minus 1 upon t plus 1. This will be the condition from where we need to do the integration. So let me note down it somewhere, then only I'll be able to. T square minus t plus 1 plus minus 1 upon t plus 1. It is t square minus t plus 1 minus 1 upon t plus 1. Its integration we need to do. So integral dt, in the bracket I'm writing this dt. Now integral will be, this will be integral, step by step I'm doing t square dt minus integral t dt plus integral 1 dt minus integral 1 upon t plus 1 dt. So t integral t square will be t to power 3 by 3 minus t to power 2 by 2 plus integral of 1 will be t minus 1 upon will be log mod t plus 1 plus c. 1 I'm writing little bit in the way so that 1 and mod should be distinguishable. Now what we have supposed t, what was the condition for t? T was square root of x. So I need to put now t as square root of x. So under root x to whole cube by 3 minus under root of x to whole square by 2 plus root x minus log mod root x plus 1 plus c will be the answer for this particular question. So I'm showing you step by step. The first way is like in the first slide, which questions I have done. The question which I have done was very easy, and next step when I went, this was little different. Every step I'm trying to go for the better question, so that you must be able to do, to understand. Then I had given you questions that were really very easy. These I suppose you have done and you were able to understand. Then some more questions we have done. This was a good question. It has come in board examination also. Different questions, means some have come in the board examination, some are important for the examination point of view, some may come in the coming board examinations also. So now we are taking one more case, one more question. This will make your concepts little more better. So this question I'm taking now, trigonometric questions. We are starting trigonometric questions. So for that, cube x can be written as sine square x into sine x dx. Three powers I have made, 2 and 1. In multiplication, powers will get added. So these are 3 powers only. Now, next step will be integral. Sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x into sine x dx. Now let sine x equals to t, sorry, cos x I need to suppose. Let cos x equals to t. The differentiation of cos x will be minus sine x dx will be equals to dt. Let us put these values. 1 minus t square. The value of sine x dx will be, sine x dx will be, minus is going on other side, minus dt. Minus sign I'm taking inside, so it will become integral t square minus t, sorry, minus 1 dt. Now separate integral, integral t square dt minus integral 1 dt. Integral of t square will be t3 by 3 minus integral of 1 will be t plus c. The value of t we are going to put, the value of t we are going to put, value of t, what we have supposed t as cos x. So cos x to whole cube by 3 minus cos x plus c is the answer. So I suppose this is also a very, very good question for you, and you will be able to do this question. Now, some more better questions for you. Now, some questions for you, these questions you will be doing at home. So let us copy these questions. You are doing mainly questions from NCERT, but few questions you can do, which I'm giving you. Integral sine cube, this I have given you, but now it will be 2x plus 1 dx. This you need to solve. Integral sine cube x into cos square x dx. This question you need to do. Then you have to try sec 4x dx. Then one more. This question which I am giving you right now is from exemplar. X to power 1 by 2 upon 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2 dx. These are the 4 questions for the homework. So you have to do these questions. You need to practice. You need to revise similar questions at home. Then only you will be able to answer. Now I'm going to give you time to ask your doubts. First of all, copy these, then I'll allow you to speak and ask your doubts. With that only you will be able to know, maybe you might have some problems also. Whoever want to ask some doubts, please raise your hand. Tanuja, you can stop recording.